Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a project share that this I made when I was talking to What Gen Scraps. We were crafting and chatting and I didn't know what to make, so I decided to make a trifold. Basically a folio. So here is the belly band that I made, and I used paper from Die Cuts with a View. So, and some stuff from some stickers and rub-ons from Crafter Square. So here's the paper. This and this is Crafter Square. This is Crafter Square, and so is that. Now on the inside, I use this paper, and then I have a little notebook here. I believe this is from Jot, and then I have some Jot Post-its here. So, and I have also here is a pocket, so I can put a shopping list or whatever I want in here. So that is my project. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I go live, when I do a premiere, or when I upload new content. Please be safe, be kind, be crafty, be positive, be blessed, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.